Hi guys, welcome to House's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fabulous vegetarian, also gluten-free lasagna. Please check the description for the list of all ingredients and measurements. To enjoy the cooking process, prepare all your ingredients before you start. This helps you avoid missing anything and makes the cooking experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. In a large pot over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of your favorite oil. Once hot, add chopped onion. Saute the onion until soft and translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and saute it briefly until slightly caramelized. Next, we are going to add chopped garlic and saute it about 1 minute, just until fragrant. Be careful you don't burn garlic because it doesn't taste good. When the garlic is fragrant, add baby mushrooms and saute in about 2 minutes. To help the mushrooms release their moisture, add 1 tablespoon of salt. To add a bit of hot and spicy taste to the dish, add 1 tablespoon of red chili pepper and mix well. Now it's time to add finely chopped carrots. Mix them in so they cook evenly with other ingredients. Let the carrots saute with the other ingredients for about 2 minutes. Next, add a can of tomato and stir well and simmer for 2-3 minutes to allow excess moisture to evaporate. When the tomato sauce is ready, stir in the chopped green and yellow zucchini and the green and red bell peppers. Let them simmer in a sauce for about 3-4 minutes until the vegetables soften and absorbs all the flavor of the sauce. After the vegetables are softened, add half a cup of fresh basil leaves. Make sure that they are fresh basil leaf. This simple addition brings amazing flavor and beautiful aroma to your sauce, so please don't skip this. Now let's move on to the cheesy part of the dish. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of ricotta cheese and 2 eggs and mix until smooth. Season the mixture with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste and adjust as needed. Then add half a cup of fresh and finely chopped dill. The aroma and flavor of the fresh dill take this mixture to the next level. Now add 1 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella. Then mix until well combined. Now is the best time to heat your oven to 450 degrees. Alright, now is the best part of making this dish, the assembly of lasagna. Let's start with a layer of marinara sauce. For convenience, I am using no-boil lasagna noodles. These are already cooked and they are fantastic. All you have to do, take them out of the packaging and lay them in your baking dish. Next, we are going to add a layer of our ricotta mixture. For the next layer, we are going to put the generous amount of our tomato sauce with all the vegetables. Now, since we finished the first layer, we will repeat the process 3 more times. For the last layer, we will gonna add 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese. So with all the layers done, we will pop it into the oven, but before we wrap it with the tin foil, then goes into the oven. Make sure the foil doesn't touch the cheese, because then stick to the foil and it's not going to be good. Baking the lasagna covered for about 15 minutes, then uncover it and bake it for another 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, guys, this is really looking gorgeous and delicious, and absolutely a beautiful and delicious comfort food. Okay, our vegetarian and gluten-free lasagna is done. Dinner is being served. Let's dig in. But before that, if you like this recipe, please share it with your friends and family, and hit me with a comment and like, and obviously a subscription would be appreciated. Have a good day, and see you on next time with another new delicious dish.